In this lesson, we're going to cover the three main panels in After Effects and get you started in creating your first composition. You'll start out in the home screen. We want to click New Project because we want a new document. To make sure we're all working in the same workspace, click on Window, Workspace, and make sure you're on Standard. I'm going to reset mine as well by going to Window, Workspace, Reset Standard to save layout so it goes back to its default. There's also a nice little section here that shows you what workspace you're on. Also, your toolbar is on the top left here. Make sure you're on the Selection tool. Now, there are a lot of panels and buttons in After Effects, but for this lesson, we'll focus on the Project panel, the Composition panel, and the Timeline panel. The Project panel is similar to Premiere Pro, where you import all your files that you're going to use. The Composition panel is where we'll see your video and animation play, and the Timeline panel is where you will arrange and edit all your assets to create your video. We'll first need to create a composition. You can click this icon here or this large image that says New Composition. A composition setting will pop up. Click on the drop-down arrow on Preset and let's use HD 1920 by 1080. Keep the duration at 30 seconds and hit OK. Now we have a composition. To zoom in and out, just use your mouse scroll wheel or go here and choose how large you want to see your window. As you can see, we now have a Comp1 name in your project panel. Let's go ahead and import our files. Click this folder icon for your video, audio, and images folder in the project panel. Now import your files in their folders. I normally do the right mouse click button to import all my files. When you import your image, import it as a footage and make sure these two are unchecked. If you get a pop-up menu, just choose Footage and Merge Layer is selected. That way it'll bring it as one layer. So let's drag our video in the Composition panel. In the Timeline panel, drag this blue marker to see your video play, or hit the spacebar to see it play in real time. Let's drag our image to the composition as well as our audio. If you hit the spacebar, the video and sound will play, but nothing else. We have to add keyframes to make the logo move. We'll be adding some text later as well. Click the logo in the Layer panel and click this drop-down arrow. Click the drop-down arrow for the Transform tools. All animation or motion created in After Effects is just adjusting the properties in the transformation tools. To make things animate in After Effects, you change its position, scale, rotation, and opacity in different times in your timeline. You can have one or a combination of transformation for every object of your video. For this logo, as you can see as I drag it in my composition, the position numbers changes because I'm changing the position of it. If I scale up or down, the scale properties will change as well. Let's have the logo appear from the bottom and move up. Let's move our marker to the start. Now move the logo down off screen. If you see this stopwatch, this is how you create a keyframe. I'm going to click on the stopwatch for position and we'll create a keyframe on where the logo is now. Now move the blue marker to, let's say, 8 seconds and move your logo to about here. Where you stop is where After Effects will add another position keyframe. So now drag the blue marker and you'll see the logo move from off screen to where you moved it last. Let's apply opacity. Take your marker back to the start. Now click on the stopwatch on opacity. Right now it's at 100%. Let's change that to 0% since we want it to fade in as it appears moving up. Now move your marker to where your other keyframe is and change the opacity to 100%. Let's apply scale. Go back to the beginning, click on the stopwatch for scale to create a keyframe. Don't worry if my numbers for scale are different from yours. Now move the blue marker to where you want it in the timeline. Let's say 10 seconds and change by either dragging the anchor point on the logo to make it bigger or typing a number in the scale areas in the layer section. I'm going to type in 50%. Just do one side and hit the tab key to change the other side. So at 10 seconds, the scale of the logo will be at 50%. Now to trim your audio, go to where the video ends and make sure your audio is selected. Now hit Option and the right bracket key to trim anything to the right of that marker. So that area to the right of the marker in the audio will be deleted. Let's do this for our logo as well. Click on the logo bar in the timeline and hit Option and the right bracket keys to delete anything to the right of that blue marker. Now let's add some text. To add text, you use the Type tool up here in the toolbar. First, let's make sure you're on the top layer. So now select the Type tool and click inside your composition. I'm going to type Ride the Trails. Move it to where you can see it for now. You can use the text panel on the right to change the type, size, and color. I'm just going to leave mine as is. Drag the blue marker to the start and position your text to the left of the screen. We want this to animate from left to right, so we have to create a keyframe for position. Now take the blue marker to, let's say, 18 seconds and drag the text to the right of the screen. That will create a new keyframe for our text. This gray bar is your work area markers. Drag the right side into 18 seconds so your video will stop playing here and not all the way to 30 seconds. Now hit the space bar and your video will only play up to 18 seconds. There you go. Now you've made your first composition with animated images in After Effects. That's it for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.